What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Things are honestly looking amazing for the markets. Things are looking amazing. What a bad time to not be in the markets. I hope you are, if not close to fully invested, damn near close. If you are accumulating, you still got some time. Try to be somewhat quick about it. Obviously, you always have to have patience in this game, but we'll take a look at what's going on. All right, so catch you guys up. Bitcoin dominance. We're going to look at that chart. It's an interesting chart. We're going to take a look at the ETF performances of Ethereum, okay, because it was off to a really good start, and that's extremely bullish. And I'll let you know kind of what I think the bigger meaning there is, okay. Talk really quickly about Biden, okay, the whole presidential thing, and we're going to discuss Mt. Gox, why they are not selling, and that should tell you something. And so without further ado, let's do this. Really quickly, Bitcoin right now, clearly in this triangle that I mentioned, you know, from pretty much around back here, because I've had these lines here forever, and it's funny how the price just kind of goes around these certain areas if you're good at putting in these imaginary lines. If you're good at putting these imaginary lines in, price kind of, if you're right, kind of goes around those areas. It gives you an idea of what could possibly happen. I thought we could be in this triangle, and clearly we're in this triangle. This triangle ends around the 24th of August. It could be a coincidence. It could not be. We'll see what happens. It could be that we stay in here, get tighter and tighter, and then boom, bust out. As I mentioned, I think once we get past this area, 69,179, the next time that we're up here, I think we're going to keep it. From there, we're going to move forward and break new all-time highs. That's, I think, what is going to happen. A couple of things that are kind of like making me, not necessarily, that are just giving me somewhat pause. The Dow Jones right here. Okay, we can see a line right here. Okay, it could be that we bounce off and start doing this, go sideways for a little bit longer. The summer is going to be over soon, July, August, and that's pretty much it, guys. So after that, we should expect some good times. So hopefully, it's just the summer lull for the Nasdaq as well. Look at this, the S&P 500, same. Okay, I would like to see a bounce from here, but other than that, everything else is looking great. Like, look at the 2-year bond yields, exactly what we want to see. 10-year, same thing, exactly what we want to see, guys. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Yeah, exactly what we want to see. So I mean, other things are looking good, preparing the way for Bitcoin to eventually start moving up. Okay, and that's what I think is going to happen. All right, let's look at BTC dominance. No, that's not this one. BTC dominance right here. All right, first time we've seen this, right? And I think if we do retest it and we start moving up, then that's a big sign that the market is going to start its parabolic phase. Okay, once we see that happening, I think that's a big sign. I don't know how high it can go. Some people think it could get up to 60%. I don't know. If it does, actually, that would be great, because once it drops from there, and I think it would, that's when altcoin season starts, and the higher this is, the stronger that altcoin season is going to be. So this is one to keep an eye on BTC dominance. Okay, what do we got for time? Okay, we're going to try to do this as fast as possible. And now let's finish up with the ETFs. Oh man, telling you guys from the video I did yesterday, it's a lot of emotion still, but I'm doing my best to keep it together and keep moving forward. I got a great community in the Spanish one. I want to build the same one in the English one too, of my channel, but they showed me a lot of love. My family showed me a lot of love, so I can't let people down, man. Okay, so right here, first day of the ETFs inflows, 590.7 million, outflows 484.1 million, net inflows 106.6 million on day one. Pretty good start, man. Obviously, there's going to be ebbs and flows. There's going to be negative days too, but this helps. Okay, why does this help? Because this basically gives an on-ramp to more people to get into crypto, basically. Okay, people are going to see this and they're going to be like, okay, instead of going to the ETF, I'm going to buy it directly. Okay, and then there's more people. It's going to open up the pool. The pool of participants is going to be the biggest we've ever seen. Okay, and it's only going to get bigger. So this bull run, guys, is going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. And here's another clue. Now let's go see what's going on with the Mt. Gox situation. Okay. Infamous crypto exchange Mt. Gox has transferred another 2,237 Bitcoin, equivalent to around 147 million, to Bitstamp just hours ago, and I saw this morning. Okay, this move is part of the ongoing process to repay creditors following a series of jaw-dropping Bitcoin transfers over the past few weeks. Blah blah. Since early July, Mt. Gox has shifted a total of 54,662 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $3.4 billion. These transfers have included substantial amounts sent to various platforms, including Bitbank, Bitstamp, and a significant deposit to a key wallet associated to Kraken. Initially, the market reacted with concern, fearing the release of these long-held Bitcoins might trigger a sell-off, as Mt. Gox creditors have been waiting for over a decade to receive their assets. However, recent analysis from CryptoQuant suggests a more positive outlook. Data reveals a notable increase in Bitcoin withdrawals from Kraken following distribution of Mt. Gox users. Okay, data reveals a notable increase in Bitcoin withdrawals from Kraken following the distribution. Okay, this trend indicates that rather than selling, many participants are moving their Bitcoin to cold storage, potentially signaling a long-term hodl strategy. These guys aren't stupid. They're early Bitcoin buyers. Okay, so they have an idea of what's coming. Okay, this should tell you something big, guys. Okay, these guys, the original vampires. All right, and I mean that in a good sense. I'm not saying vampire in a bad sense. I'm saying that they've been around for a long time. Okay, and they probably know more just for being around for a long time than a lot of us, including myself. Okay. Despite the large-scale transfers, the increase in withdrawals from Kraken points to a potential reduction in immediate selling pressure. Currently, 90,344 Bitcoin worth around $6 billion remains in the exchanges and wallets. The ongoing question is whether this holding behavior will help stabilize or even boost Bitcoin's price, countering initial fears and uncertainties surrounding the Mt. Gox repayment, guys. All right. Bitcoin holding strong. Bitcoin holding strong. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we do keep this triangle. Okay, if we do drop down here, see the area, I would say we can't really go past 63,400. I don't even think that we will. Maybe we might do something like this. Boom, boom. But I think we kind of hang out right here in this triangle for a little bit longer. And into July, things are going to, and into August, I think at some point things are going to start getting better and better, guys. All right, so just hold on to your pants. Stay strong. Do finish up your accumulations. And for the love of God, protect your wallets. Okay, make sure you watch the video that I made yesterday. If not, fine. Protect your wallets. Try to keep your wallet separated from everything. Don't put it in all your Chromes. Okay, because if you have different computers, if you sync your Chromes, right, your Chrome, what is it called? Browsers. It'll sync everything and put your wallet there. And even if you don't use your wallet there, it's anyone that hacks, if you click a link, or anyone that hacks there can get access to that wallet. They don't need your password. They don't need your seed phrase. All right, and they can still get in there. So just be very, very, very careful of what you do with that wallet. Ideally, in a computer that is not linked to anything else, and that you only do crypto transactions there with your wallet and nothing else. And you never click on links there, and you don't have your wallets on any other browser. Okay, that would be ideal. And a hardware wallet as like the extra layer, the ultimate layer, and then that's pretty much it. That's as good as you can be. All right, I know it's additional steps. I know it's a pain in the butt. It might be more costly, but it's really not. Okay, because losing your crypto to pieces of shit scammers is a really, really bad feeling. Unfortunately, my life has not always been that easy. So I've been through some worse experiences than losing $200,000, and I come from nothing. But it's still not a good feeling. I still don't wish it on anyone. All right, guys, things are looking good. Protect yourselves. All right. Thank you for the couple of people that wrote something on the video yesterday. I appreciate the well wishes. With all that said, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I am good at what I do, and I'm pretty sure I can help. I'm gonna try to guide those that watch my channel through this bull run, so that you can be as profitable as possible. All right, that's it, guys. Have a good one. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.